Today I brought you this recipe. This is Fudgy Brownies. This is very easy to make. All you need to do is to follow the steps. This is super moist and very yummy. Today's recipe is so easy to follow. Here I'm using this coin chocolate and my homemade butter. So I'll be microwaving it for 1 minute for them to melt. It's melted already, so I'll be mixing everything to well combined. So this is very easy recipe. If you're thinking about making your brownies, just watch it. You can get it right. Here I'm using 4 whole eggs. So I'll be adding all the ingredients that I use in making this recipe. I'll be putting it on my description. So make sure you check it out. I added my brown sugar. So I'll be adding the right measurement that I use for this video. I'll be mixing everything to well combine. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. So I'll be adding my mixed chocolate and butter into the egg mixture and I'll mix everything to well combine. So remember to subscribe to my channel if this is your first time and follow my page at Glatory. I'll be adding my all-purpose flour and my cocoa powder and salt. I'll be mixing everything. I will sieve it first, then mix to well combine. So just as I said before, this is very easy recipe. You can make it on your own. All you need to do is to follow the step, you will get it right. So remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Glatory and follow my page at Glatory also on Facebook. Always like, love my video, comment, and please share so that others can learn also. Thank you. I'll be pouring it into my baking pan and I'll allow it to bake for 30 minutes. So this is very easy. You can do it on your own. All you need to do, just follow the step, you will get it right. I'll be putting the right measurement for you. Here, my brownies are ready. You can see, well baked. So this is very easy. You can do it on your own. Remember, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Like my video, comment and share. It has a long way encouraging me on this journey. Thank you for always coming by. So this is very easy recipe. You will like it if you get to make it. It's so yummy. The aroma is everywhere. You can see super dense, very fudgy. Hope you will get to try this. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again on my next video. Please follow me for more videos. Thank you. Bye.